Of course, you can still add other screens on top of that. So let's say you're editing and you want to add a Safari right there. You can do that, and it's unlimited for now. So you can add multiple screens everywhere. Open your mail like so, put it over there. You can add your messages. You can put it up there. So what's happening YouTube, we have the Vision Pro right here with our MacBook. Pretty much you can use the Vision Pro as a second monitor or pretty much your main monitor for your MacBook. Today we're gonna edit this video right here as we hit connect to our MacBook. And I like this because when I'm at home, I have a big monitor, and that is what I use for my screen. And with this Vision Pro, I can make my screen so much bigger, like so. And then that way I could see the timeline when I'm editing. So what's going on, everyone? We have the Vision Pro travel case here as well. We're gonna unbox. So as you can see down here, you'll be able to see your keyboard still, no problem at all. And that's how you can control this. And basically, right here. So if your color, looking at different LUTs here, change it up. This is recorded via DJI Pocket 3 as well. So we can find some good LUTs, edit it ourselves like so by doing this. Adding that and more light, probably like so. There we go. Hit the shadow right there, some midtones there, so it's not so crazy, right? Hit saturation a little bit there, change the hue because it's too warm. Maybe make it a little bit more white there. There you go. Cooler. Color boost again right there. You can even hit the detail there. And then even more so right here with the blur. As you could see, you can put more blur or less. Pretty cool. Let's do some cutting of clips. Again, it has this pouch right here for your plugins. They're very wrinkly as well. So we have the case right here, Vision Pro right there. Polishing cloth and the battery right there. So basically this guy comes in through here. Cord goes in right there. Strap it down like so. Pretty nice. Looks really good look in there. Good look in there. I'm guessing this is like adjust. Pretty nice. Looks really pretty nice. I'm guessing this is like adjustable, as you can see there. And then to strap it down, it's just a Velcro like so. And that's where the Vision Pro pretty much will land, right in there. There it is. And then in the middle, there's going to be a pouch right there. where your plug and cord will go. There it is, like so. And that's pretty much it. You're just gonna put that around like so, because this technically could be plugged in like that, and then you just closed it. Put that right in there, and then you just that's hilarious. Okay, so you're just gonna have to change this part right here. And then you just closed it. Nope. Put that around like so, because this technically could be plugged in like that. Let's take this off right there. Right there. And then maybe edit this right here. Put it right there, so, and because this technically could be plugged in. See what it looks like. That. Boom. Put that right in there. See? Transition. Well, you just cut the video, but yeah. Like so. Yeah. There so. This case is pretty nice though. If you want to see the video, it'll be down below. And you're done. That's it. So there you have it. Definitely recommend this for people who has a Vision Pro. It's a pretty easy case for it, and definitely a nice quality as well. Now we just need to sync the audio. Let's do some audio magic right now by doing voice isolation right there, and then probably an equalizer. Let's try that and change the audio for all of them. Let's see. So what's going on, everyone? We have the Vision Pro. So this is like the meek kind of lower volume there. So basically this guy. So coming from here, let's see if it gets louder all of a sudden, right? So we have the case. Yeah, it still does. So dialogue leveler maybe. Let's see, output gain. Again, it has this very wrinkly as well. So we have the case right here. Yeah, it's still not up to par to what I want it to. So let's just hit 5.23 here. You guys, if you guys know how to, like, I'm not really that good at DaVinci Resolve, but if you guys know how to one click that so that the volume is all in the same levels, let me know comments below. Again, it has this pouch right here for your plugins. They're very wrinkly as well. So we have the so close this back up, and you're done. So there you have. Yeah, so our levels here are basically very quiet, right? So we're gonna bump this even more. Let's go for 10 now. 1047, 1047 here as well, right there, and let's see how that has this pouch right here for your that works. Plugins. Just trying to make it so it's the same. So we have the case right here, Vision Pro. Again, it has this pouch right here for pretty close. Plugins. They're very wrinkly as well. So we have the case right here, this picture right there. It's just like a bump, just a little bump, just right there. Just like, it's not quite there, you know what I mean? There you go. Again, it has this pouch right here for your plugins. Right there, very wrinkly as well. So we have the case right here. There you go. So now it's just a matter of coloring it, and we're pretty much done. Now we're also gonna add our outro here. There we go, end screen. I'm just gonna drop it right in there like so, and that's it. Oops. Delete this song. Just leave it there. It's all good. There you go. Just need to color it and we're pretty much done. So color of this guy, it's very dark when I recorded this, so it's not good at all. I don't like how dark it is, and I've only used the Pocket 3. I don't have my gear with me. It's just my vlogging kit, right? So we're just gonna see which lot helps me the most here and go on from there. Color grading is not my best suit for sure. It's like to kind of make it look more natural than what it is. It's just sometimes it's just harder when I didn't record it properly. Like, look at this, it's so bad. This is D-Log 10-bit, but it's horrible. Okay, look, it's just low light. Low light is not fun to edit with. That's all right. I like how it changes color too. What is going on here?
So what's going on, everyone? And it has this.
I see. It's like good, and then it doesn't. So it's the same. It's fine. It is fine. It's totally fine. Just gonna do the rest of the video now. Let's copy this and see. It's too pink, right? It's, I guess, all right. It's overly pink for sure. It doesn't need to be that pink. So if that's the case, we'll just change the hue right here to make it more, you know, less pink. Oh, the tint will help a little bit. And then the temp for sure will help. There you go. And then hopefully we can change the rest here by doing so. It's very, there you go, it's very warm, right? And all we're doing is pasting it all down there. Now this is a quick video. Of course you can add nodes here if you wanted to, but right now we're just doing a quick video for you guys so that we can push this video out, this Vision Pro case out. Just a quick test for you guys using the Vision Pro as an editing tool with DaVinci Resolve 18. So that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I'm pretty much gonna hit render here. Name it whatever. Let's go with right there. Add render queue. Boom. And render all. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Vision Pro. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Definitely recommend it for editing, especially if you're traveling. This is basically what you're gonna need it the most. At home, of course, you have your setup and you're ready to go, but that setup might not be with you all the time. But with the Vision Pro, you can just bring this little device with you all the time, and you'll have your big screen with you. Now on top of that, of course, you can still add other screens on top of that. So let's say you're editing and you want to add a Safari right there. You can do that, and it's unlimited for now. So you can add multiple screens everywhere. Open your mail like so, put it over there. You can add your messages. You can put it up there where it's out of the way. You can add a, you know, if you're watching, if you want to look for houses, you can put that up there. And basically that is the style of this. It's really cool how you can have multiple screens, including your MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that's it for the day. Basically, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.